Down a few steps and along narrow corridor, the enticing scent of soap and steam greets visitors. This 1,000-year-old building is one of the oldest Turkish baths still operating in the old city. Salim Al-Wazir says the hammam is a symbol of Gazan heritage, holding memories of countless life-altering events like weddings.
I spent 52 years of my life as a manager of Hammam Asamra. My will to my sons has always been that they must preserve the place after my death and not allow it to be sold or forfeited. This is because of the importance it represents to Gaza. This is the last hammam of its kind here, and it should be preserved by all means. It represents our customs, traditions, civilization and history, in addition to having many health benefits.
Israel has obliterated most of the archaeological monuments in Gaza, but this Turkish hammam is still standing, witness to a once great civilization. Residents still come here regularly, not only to stay connected to their history, but also for treatment and a brief escape from reality.
Some people go and pay a lot of money to find inner peace. We found this psychological comfort right here in the Hammam al-Samra. Sometimes I wake up from my sleep and find my health in a very bad condition. But now that I started to come here, I wake up and I feel that my health is very good and all my health problems disappeared.
We've come to Hammam Asamra to relieve ourselves of the psychological pressures caused by the wars and the continuous bombardment of Gaza and the tragic conditions we live in here. There are a lot of good aspects about this place.
The hammam has several rooms, each with a different temperature, hot, warm and cold. The steam room reaches up to 55 degrees Celsius, powered by an underground wood fireplace. Patrons with medical issues and joint problems can receive massages from qualified professionals.
Gaza is always exposed to Israeli wars and escalations, and we have no other means to relieve ourselves from the pressure than the sea and the Hammam As-Samra. This is a natural bath, and the heat in it is natural and calms people. It helps them get rid of negative energy and improves their psyche.
The hammam has not lost any of its historic charms. At less than $6 per visit, it provides an affordable option for Gazans, old and young, rich and poor, to wash away the stresses of the day.